And then that's the bottom. That's the way it looks. Guys, it's broken. Look at it. Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at the Home Depot. We're going to be looking at some 2 deals. Yeah, some pack outs and some new Tough System 2.0 DeWalts. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hit the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. We got the Joby on clearance, $209. This is a chainsaw. We got a bunch of string from the string trimmers on clearance. This is the clearance section, by the way. Different prices. About $1 off on some of these. So just wait until they drop in price. So you got the waterproof tote. And then you got this backpack blower for $229. Was $259. And it's 40 volts. Alright, you got these umbrellas for $29. Was $59. And you got this chainsaw. So it is gas powered. It's a CS 490 chainsaw. Echo 20-inch, 50.2 cc. So it's not too bad. $179 for the jet fan blower for with the 4 amp hour kit. 425 CFM, up to 110 miles per hour. You got the, looks like a 4-tool combo kit. 210 was $299. You got this impact driver, 3-speed, $49. Not too bad. You got a router, $54.97, and then you got the rotary tool for $119. A DeWalt 3 amp hour starter kit, $99, was $159. Router and a base for $229 from DeWalt. You got a light for $108, was $119. And that's the way this section looks like. Yeah, this is weird finding a router here. Never seen a router actually of any kind on the clearance section. You got a compact radio, $64. And you got some respirators, $34.97. And then you got this rubber air hose for $34. 3/8 by 50. You got the buy one get one free from Joby. You basically buy this blower and get the free kit, the starter kit, or the 4 amp hour battery. Same thing with this chainsaw. And then you got some Milwaukee here. Yeah, they still got some left. They're still running these deals, so if you guys still want to hack them, make sure you guys do, because they will sell out. This is like the only Home Depot that still has some left. You got the rotary tool there at the bottom. And you got the inflator, the blower, and then the Rover Light 12 volt series floodlight. This is 700 lumens. I really like this light. You can charge your phone, 700 lumen on 8 hours, or 250 lumen on 24 hours. So that's a pretty good deal. You got the battery compartment there at the bottom. You got the on and off button, the fuel gauge, and the USB charger there. $129 your choice. You got the 2-tool combo kit or the 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries. I only have the batteries left on this one. Not too bad. You got the red lithium rapid charger and dual port charger, 5.0 amp hour batteries. And somehow, I don't know, somehow I'm seeing like mixtures of deals on onlinehomedepot.com with that charger with those 2 batteries. So I don't know if that's going to be one of the newer hacks. Who knows? You got the Gen 3 M12. You got the free battery. So $229 and get the free battery. Obviously you can hack it. You can return that battery and get the tool at a discounted price. $399 for the Gen 4s. Yes, guys, these are the brand new Gen 4s. They still got them, at least at this store. Some of the stores already sold out. And this is the battery you're gonna get for free with the purchase that started, or the two combo kit. And you guys can hack them. Yes, you guys can still hack these. Online is probably your best bet. If your Home Depot doesn't have a lot of these in stock. Got the bandsaw, 12-volt bandsaw with 249. You got the right angle die grinder. You got a 3-inch stubby, and then you got the high output 2.5 amp hour battery. That's the new one, $79. They do got the 5 amp hour already out on some stores, at least on some, not exactly Home Depot, but I seen them, people posting them on Facebook. Yes, guys, and then they still got this one. This one you really do have to look at the serial number, because you guys did see my video of it failing. It was the H96B. That was the one, the bad one. This is the one that you want. This is the H96A. This is the one that you want to get. So that is the good one, the H96A. That's the serial number. You do have to look at the first 4 of the serial number. The one with the A is the good one. You got the ratchet for $149, the cutout tool. And then the tower lights for $179. Obviously, do not pay retail prices for these guys. Wait until you guys are able to hack these, or get them with some extra batteries. Got the oscillating tool blades, 5-piece, 24. Got the record and the torch, and the axe with different price or different blades. $299 your choice here. Blower kits and the chainsaw. So they still got those. Yeah, they're not selling out. They're kind of pricey. I mean the blower kit, I could see somebody spending because you're getting the kit. You got some nice precision screwdrivers, limited lifetime warranty. They are labeled all metal core, 4 times stronger, 4-piece. You got a 5-inch sanding disc, 50 pack, 15 free discs. You got a compressor for $119 or $199, was $229. You got a fan. This is a huge fan, by the way. It's $279. It's a 5,000 CFM, 30-inch direct drive fan. And then you got the impact wrench. This is the mid torque. We did have a deal at the deal of the day at the Home Depot. I've been posting a lot of deals lately, because all these stores are putting a lot of deals. So they got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of these and you get yourself a free battery. I'll show you guys right now. You got the pen light, $39.97. It does include a laser. And you got the combo, a pen light and the headlamp there for $39.88. Those are battery operated. This is rechargeable, the one with the laser. So obviously this one's the one to get. And these are the batteries powered, by the way. Both of those are battery powered. Same with that one too. So I'm not really into those. I prefer to save my money and just invest in something that's going to last. Alright, so $149, a floodlight. Then you got a 2-pack shaker of 3 amp hour batteries. High output batteries. And then you got a 45-piece impact duty bit set for $19.97. 6-piece and a 7-piece shockwave titanium drill bit set for $14.97. Obviously the cobalt's the best one. Some people like the cobalt, some people like the titanium. That's the bit set with the extension. And then you got the 7-piece there, titanium. And then you got the cobalt. Alright, so same thing with these. As you guys did see before. You buy any of the tool kits on the bottom, and for $2.99 you get yourself a free 4 amp hour high performance battery, which is a pretty good deal. After you hack it, it's going to be around $200 something. So that's pretty good price on that. And those are the tools. That's the miter saw, pretty nice looking miter saw. And that is the battery you're going to get for free with this deal. Alright, so you got this some sort of locking lanyard. $23 was $24.97. Is up to 15 pounds capacity for power tools. This is great when you're working upstairs. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left, you get a free battery. The one on the right, you can choose from the ratchet, the straight grinder, die grinder, the right angle drill, the jigsaw, oscillating tool. Now you got a whole bunch of batteries there that they got for free. At this store at least. 2 amp hour batteries. Alright, same thing with this one. They still got this deal going on. Or I don't know if this is actually a new deal. You can buy this tower light for $129. Get yourself a free starter kit. Adjustable tripod reaching up to 5 feet height. I personally prefer the rocket light. Guys, do not buy these yet. They will be on sale at the buy one get one free for the holiday season. So if you guys are planning to get these air compressors, the new ones, make sure you guys wait for that holiday season to pop up at your stores, and then you guys can hack them. So they still got these going on. Definitely recommend you guys get the middle and the upper tier. That 3 amp hour, 5 amp hour, and the 6 amp hour high output batteries are the ones to get. Angle grinder, the pack out light, the circular saw, the reciprocating saw. Alright, so you got this deal. This is a really good deal. $229 down to $149. It's a fuel, M12 fuel, 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour hammer drill and impact driver kit. So down to $149. That's a good deal. That's a really good deal on this one. So if you guys see it at your store, make sure you guys pick it up. That's the item number there. Good stuff. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free. Same thing with this one. You buy the hatchet, the kit for $269. You get yourself a free battery. They got the battery daddy, $14.98. If you guys haven't checked out my video for this, I do have one of these similar, at least to this. You guys want to look at it. Then you got the pack out rolling tool chest for $199. They did. It was $229, but they put it down to $199. And actually, every week I've been putting out deals where you guys buy that tool chest and get yourself a free XL toolbox. So every week, whenever those are available, I post them. So make sure you guys stay subscribed. Hit the like, hit the bell icon so you get all the notifications. You get the adjustable seats for $34.98. 1 year limited warranty, down from $44.98. You got the jack stands, the 310 jack stands. I believe these were cheaper. These were like around $24 last month or a few weeks back. So $34.98 for now. And then this jack was cheaper too. Right now it's $179. It's about the same cost at Harbor Freight. So if you guys are looking to get something like this, that's the same price. So $14.88, 6-piece heavy duty storage hooks for the garage. Some good stuff, up to 50 pounds. Alright, so we got the new DeWalt System 2.0, $129. Those are the drawers. Well, it's not the tag, but these are the drawers. They got some nice latches, spring activated latches on the sides. And they got a middle latch here so you guys could stick your smaller organizers. And then you got the drawers there. I left you guys the audio so you guys will hear it. So pretty good stuff. And then they got the rollers there. They're not ball bearings, but they are rollers. They roll pretty good. I don't know how they're going to do with some weight on there. You do got rubber stripping, weather stripping, whatever you want to call it. So these are weather sealed, so you guys could put your tools outside. And the weather stripping, it's built into the letters there, Tow System 2.0. So they seem to be working pretty good. And then you got the handles there. Pretty rugged handles. And then that's the bottom. That's the way it looks. Guys, it's broken. Look at it. It's already broken. Isn't that crazy? It's at the store, brand new. It's the things that the plastic's already falling apart at the bottom of those latches. That's not good. That's not good. So I don't know, guys. Let me know down in the comment section what's your experience with these drawers. If you guys did buy them, if you guys didn't buy them. Good thing you have a 90-day warranty. You guys could, return a policy. You can return them at the stores if they fail, but yeah, these are already broken. And that's the first one actually, that's the second one I've used, or I've taken out of the racks. Alright, so you got a tool tote, a tool chest. This is a 62 gallon. This is a big boy right here. It's $119. 63 gallon chest from DeWalt. You got a smaller one here for $85. It's a toolbox, 22-inch toolbox. It's actually pretty nice, but a little pricey. I would definitely wait on Black Friday sales. They're gonna have some good deals on these. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have some good deals. You just have to be alerted, and limited quantities, guys. Usually they'll have like a limited quantity. Same thing with the pack out. So make sure you guys stay tuned, stay on top of it. Stay on top of that that bell notification. All right, so we got the Milwaukee pack outs. This is the one that you mount. It's like a storage cabinet. You mount it in the wall with the new wall mount system for the pack outs. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It does have the lock on the top. That lock runs all the way to the back. That's how you release it. It is latched. You can latch it through the back. Really rugged latches there. And that's the way I got it to latch in. Obviously, it's brand new. You need to wear it in. And that thing goes in through there. It does have some nice channels that goes in through there. And it stores a lid in case you just want to leave it open. It does have a lock at the bottom, so you guys are still able to mount it in your regular pack outs, I believe. I haven't checked it out, but they should be able to mount it in a regular pack out because it is compatible. Yeah, and then you do have to push it back. All right, so they got the rigid 2.0. These I really like these rigids, by the way. I was looking at this rigid. Yeah, it's a little dirty, but still, I want to look at it because it's one of the better qualities out there for the money, especially when these Black Friday deals come up. I want to look at these prices because this is a great quality box, especially with those new latches, metal latches. Definitely check out 89 bucks, not too bad. It's the Pro Gear 2.0. I got impact driver, draw driver. I did test these out. I believe I haven't had a video out yet, but $169. We did have a buy one get free. Anyways, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.